Hey, today we're exposing the toxic truth hiding right inside your kitchen cabinets. Let's get into it. Is your go-to pan actually safe or just coated in dangerous synthetic chemicals? Let's find out. Okay, so PFOA-free sounds great, right? But it's deceptive. Highly toxic PTFE forever chemicals usually remain. See that huge number? That's what DuPont paid to settle lawsuits over PFOA exposure and cancer. Insane. Shockingly, they actually knew the risks back in 1961 and hid it from families cooking every night. Now, they used a chemical called Gen X. Different name, but the dangerous buildup in our blood? Same exact thing. Just look at how major brands use totally misleading marketing to hide these chemical realities from us. You might pay premium prices, but often you're just getting the exact same toxic coating on harder metal. A $200 pan flaking toxic chips into your dinner? Yeah, that's a total failure, not normal wear. That $2.5 million? That's what celebrity-endorsed Hexclad recently paid out for false marketing. Hundreds of thousands of health-conscious buyers were totally tricked by their fake, non-toxic claims. So, what's actually safe? Don't panic. Let's look at real alternatives with zero synthetic chemicals. Labs verify these three are the real deal. Xtrema Pure Ceramic, Made in Carbon Steel, and Lodge Cast Iron. The best part? Lodge Cast Iron is the safest real option out there, and it's literally just $30. Crazy enough, the government requires zero pre-market safety testing. So you've got to test your own pans at home. Try this thermometer test. If the pan hits over 450 degrees, that PTFE coating is literally breaking down. Or do the fingernail test. Any scratchy texture? That means chemical coating is flaking right into your food. Are millions of microparticles hiding in other kitchen items? Follow our explainer for more real versus fake tips.